What?
It's stinky.
What do you think? It's not bad. It's $1,500. It'd be a blast this winter. I mean, probably need some new tires. Hey, do you like it? Yeah. Should we get it? You tell mommy, say, I want it.
You
Did you bring the checks?
Okay. Yeah.
Awesome. Give me a kiss. No.
You want it to have this red thing on it? And the net? You like the net? Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, come here, Kane.
Hey, show me how you drive it.
Kane, come here. Go. Wah.
Let me see.
He loved it. You should have seen him. All right. Should mommy go get the checkbook? Ready?
Do you want me to write it, or do you want to?
Huh?
Do you want me to write it?
No, I don't know who to write it out to.
Okay.
But hey, I love you.
All day.
Okay, wait for it. Oh, here. Get the truck, okay? Go get the truck. Y'all took these guys. It wasn't wearing goggles, right? I'm taking these off. You want me to start it? Yeah? All right, here you go. You love it? Oh my God, we're gonna have so much fun with this. Huh? What? Hey, 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 Babe, stop! Don't! Hey, honey! Oh my God! Oh my God!
It's not funny.
I know.
That is not funny.
It's kind of funny. Oh, don't. I'm sorry.
You don't touch me. I'm done. I'm done, honey. I can't do it.
There's Kane right there.
I cannot do it.
There's Kane. You still love me, right?
No, that is Haley's. Bring it back. Bring it back. Put it back. Lizzie, bring that here now.
Mommy, fuck you, bitch.
Is it hard for you to maintain a suntan?
Why?
Because you live in your wife's shadow?
I like that song.
Do you think people focus maybe too much on your looks and don't even, realize that you're just a shitty actor? Hello, welcome to another episode of Between Two Ferns. I'm your host, Zach Galifianakis, and my guest today is Charlize Theron.
Charlize Theron. It's okay, everybody does that.
Charlize Theron?
Theron.
Theron.
Like heron, Theron.
Like heroin?
Yeah, no, just Theron, just throw it away.
Are you asking me to go with you?
Where?
The naked pool?
Oh my God! You are hilarious!
I wasn't joking.
You know how you made it really funny is because the image of me and you, like me naked in a pool with like a fat garden gnome, like that's like really good. You are really good. You are really good.
I hope your dog dies.
I just pissed myself.
You shaved your head for V for Vendetta. Did you also shave your V for vagina?
Pass.
I have to know, what is it like to be the last black president?
Seriously? What's it like for this to be the last time you ever talked to a president?
Is it going to be hard in 2 years when you're no longer president and people will stop letting you win at basketball?
How does it feel having a 3-inch vertical?
It's a 3-inch horizontal. So, where are you planning on building a presidential library, in Hawaii or your home country of Kenya? Because, I mean, both places seem like they would be.
Zach, that's a ridiculous question.
Is your plug finally over?
I suppose so.
So which country were you rooting for in the Winter Olympics?
Seriously? The point is that a lot of young people, they think they're invincible.
Did you say invisible? Because
No,
I just
no,
think like that's impossible.
not invisible, invincible.
Okay.
Meaning that they don't think they can get hurt.
I'm just
But
saying that nobody could be invisible if you had said invisible.
I understand that.
My friends, my friends. My friends, my friends. My mother friends.
You can't get me.
Oh, this Spider-Man. Where did you get that outfit?
Say it's new.
Whoa. Let me see your mask.
He's ready to fight.
Let's see these. I see.
He's ready to fight. Would you please get us water? Just a bottle. Hey, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I just need a drink. Whew. Gainers, you want to fly?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey. Go with Noah. Be really quiet. We're gonna go so high.
I'm taking a drink.
You ready to fly, boy? You ready? Tell me when. 3, 2, here we go.
Oh my God!
Go. Go. Holy crap. Holy crap. I'm sorry.
I hate you.
What do you mean?
Why would you do that?
It's just for fun. Are you that mad?
Yeah, I'm not mad.
Whoa. It's just a dummy. It's just a little joke.
No, it's not. You don't pretend to throw our kids off a balcony.
I mean,
Get away from me.
Now what?
You're